Can you imagine a Zimbabwe where prosperity isn't just a dream, but a tangible reality? Where the future is not a source of dread, but a beacon of hope? Nelson Chamisa, a prominent Zimbabwean politician, has such a vision for Zimbabwe, a vision that prioritizes progress, unity, and the welfare of every Zimbabwean citizen. Chamisa, in a recent interview, expressed his aspirations for the nation. "We want to build a Zimbabwe that is a jewel, a powerhouse of Africa. We want to create a society where opportunities are not a preserve of the few, but accessible to all." This statement encapsulates the essence of his vision, a Zimbabwe where each and every citizen has an equal shot at success. The cornerstone of Chamisa's vision is economic transformation. He said, "Our priority is to transform our economy from being consumptive to being productive. We need to create wealth before we can share it." He believes that Zimbabwe can be a land of milk and honey, but only if it fully utilizes its vast resources and potential. Chamisa also emphasizes the importance of unity and solidarity. He notes, "In our diversity, there is strength. We need to harness that strength to build a better Zimbabwe. We need to move beyond our differences and work together for the common good." His vision is of a nation that celebrates its diversity and uses it as a tool for growth and progress. A critical aspect of Chamisa's vision is the need for a radical shift in governance. He argues, "We need a new kind of leadership that is accountable, transparent, and truly serves the people." He is convinced that Zimbabwe can only progress when its leaders put the interests of the people before their own. In the same vein, Chamisa is passionate about instilling a culture of innovation and creativity. He remarked, "We need to promote innovation and creativity. These are the engines of economic growth. We need to invest in our young people. They are the future." His vision includes a Zimbabwe that is not only economically prosperous, but also technologically advanced and competitive on the global stage. In conclusion, Chamisa's vision for Zimbabwe is one of prosperity and progress. It is a vision where the economy is productive, diversity is celebrated, governance is transparent, and innovation is encouraged. He believes that the key to achieving this vision lies in unity, good governance, and the harnessing of Zimbabwe's resources and potential. As he often says, "We have everything we need to build the Zimbabwe we want. All we need is the will and the courage to do it." This, in essence, is Nelson Chamisa's vision for a new Zimbabwe.